All right.
TikTok can now help stop your infinite scrolling. A new screen time dashboard will summarize your usage. Does anybody actually want that? Please don't tell me what just happened. You're 14 hours into this. TikTok is adding a series of new features that are designed to stop you from disappearing inside its infinite feed of addictive short-form videos. The service has announced a new tool will show a reminder after using the app for a prolonged user-defined period of time, adding a new safeguard to existing daily limits. Teenage users between the ages of 13 and 17 will be prompted to use the screen time limiting tool if they spend over 100 minutes in the app in a single day. What do you guys think? 100 minutes? Is that the healthy amount of TikTok per day?
Oof. Well, I guess they obviously can't put it too low.
100 minutes. Somebody, a Mike in the chat says, shout out to Feisty Mo because you got angry there.
When?
Moments ago.
Oh, where I was like, I have no
Let
interest.
me have my own interests for once.
Right.
And the screaming and all that.
Yeah.
So, have you calmed down?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I chilled out.
Thank goodness. That was terrifying. How much time should it be? 13 to 17 years old. 100 minutes per day? Is that what we're doing?
I guess so. Hey, man, better than more.
100 minutes is the sufficient amount. Do you guys watch TikTok? Is that going on?
Not anymore.
No.
But I still go on Instagram Reels a lot, so.
Which is basically TikTok.
TikTok,
Watermarks everywhere.
No, actually.
No more watermarks because their AI can pick out the watermarks, and
I
it
actually
only
haven't seen one.
because it's only promoting. They straight up said it.
Yeah.
We're gonna bury it if you have that watermark.
You know what? Kind of good for them, to be honest. I think that's a good move.
Good for who?
For Instagram.
You sound like an investor.
No, I'm not.
Oh, that's right. That's Will. He's
That's
big
he's the
Zuckerberg.
Meta,
He's a
yeah.
huge Zuckerberg. They play Last of Us together.
Oh, didn't they change their name today or yesterday or something?
You talking about Ticker? Is this Ticker Talk?
Yeah. I heard about it.
Yeah,
on
they
Bloomberg.
somehow magically were able to get Meta, which at first was taken. Now they are Meta.
Yeah, now they're Meta.
Meta.
Whoa, look at this stuff.
Meta. No, it's not that bad. Come on.
I mean, no, Will, hit 6 months. You'll
Mo,
look at bad.
listen.
That's a cliff.
Don't forget the strategy.
Yes.
You buy high, you sell low.
So low.
So
Buy at that over there.
So this is
in
your time to
February.
buy.
you buy on the left, you sell on the right. So you're fine. You're in great shape for your investment strategy that you pioneered.
Uh-huh.
You're in great shape.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, daily limits. I guess it's good. It's better than nothing, like you said, but 13 to 17, 100 minutes a day. It's really weird, the idea of the app that's trying to addict you. It's like cigarettes and a Nicorette.
Yes.
They're like, try the cigarettes, and when you're done, try the gum.
All right.
Like, build a healthy relationship with this addictive app.
Yeah. Just keep
And
buying.
it's like, wait a second. Are you really my friend? Because I can't tell. TikTok's new features allow the addition of similar tools to other apps like Instagram and Netflix that follow the addition, right? Instagram did this, Netflix did this. Apple will show you your screen time if you have the balls to look at it.
All right.